How to restrict individual apps on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Now, scroll down to the Limit Usage section and tap on App Limits. App Limits lets you set daily time limits for app categories you want to manage. You can add limits by using the Add Limit option. Limits reset every day at midnight. From here, search for and select the apps you want to limit. For example, Telegram. Then, tap on Next. Set the duration over here. You can also customize the days for this limit restriction as shown. After that, tap on the tick icon at the top right. Following these steps, you can easily restrict individual apps on iPhone.